Hi guys, if you're looking to pick up this KOTIN Gaming PC Desktop powered by the Ryzen 7 9800X 3D and RTX 5070 12GB, check the link in the description. This is one of those systems that immediately tells you it means business. The design is bold but still clean, with ARGB lighting running through the entire chassis in a way that feels controlled rather than chaotic. It looks like something built to sit at the center of a serious gaming setup, not just under a desk. The standout feature up front is that 11.3-inch smart display. It's not just for show, it actually works as a live system dashboard. You get real-time stats like CPU and GPU usage, temperatures, and performance metrics. It also supports custom visuals, which makes the whole build feel more interactive and modern. Inside, you've got the Ryzen 7 9800X 3D paired with the RTX 5070 12GB. This combination is built for high-end gaming performance. In real use, it handles modern AAA titles and competitive esports games with ease. Frame rates stay high, and more importantly, they stay stable. That consistency is what makes the experience feel premium. At 1440p, this machine really shines. High refresh rate gaming feels effortless, and even at 4K, you can push settings and still get very playable performance depending on the title. It's not just raw power. It's efficient power usage that keeps everything smooth. You also get 32GB of DDR5 memory and a 1TB SSD, which keeps everything fast beyond gaming. Boot times are nearly instant, applications open without delay, and multitasking feels completely unrestricted. You can run games, streaming software, and background apps without hitting performance walls. Cooling is handled by a 360mm liquid cooler, and that's important because the CPU can push hard under load. Even during long gaming sessions, thermals stay controlled, and noise levels remain surprisingly low. It never feels distracting, even when the system is fully working. Power stability comes from an 850W gold-rated PSU, giving you efficient and reliable performance under load. You also get Wi-Fi 7 support, which makes this system feel ready for future networking standards. What really defines this PC is balance. It doesn't lean too far into aesthetics or raw performance. It brings both together in a way that feels intentional. It looks like a showcase build but performs like a serious high-end gaming machine. So overall, this is a system that doesn't really force compromises. It delivers strong gaming performance, modern design, and future-ready hardware in one complete package. Hi guys, if you want to buy this KOTIN Gaming PC Desktop, check the link in the description. When you actually sit down and use it day to day, the experience feels very refined. Games load fast, transitions are smooth, and there's a sense that nothing is holding the hardware back. Even demanding titles with ray tracing enabled stay consistent without feeling unstable or unpredictable. The chassis build quality also adds to the premium feel. Airflow is well optimized, cable management is clean, and everything is laid out in a way that supports long-term reliability. It's the kind of system that feels ready not just for today's games, but for the next wave of releases as well. Overall, it delivers a very complete high-end gaming experience that balances performance, design, and future readiness without compromise. It stands out as a strong option for gamers wanting a plug-and-play powerhouse. Perfect.